Hi guys, how's it going? Woody back with another video reaction, and today we're looking at a song called Chicken Sonata, and it's by Igorrr. So this is going to be very interesting. Again, know nothing about this, people. Brand new to me. So let's not muck around, let's just jump straight into it and have a listen. Okay. Okay. Seems like an interesting amateur production video. So I'm intrigued on the song. Oh dear. So many questions. It's very different from One Season 2. Very odd. I mean, it's different, isn't it? There's no two ways about that. It's a very different way to make a song, or to make music anyway. But it does put a lot of things into question, I guess. Okay. It was very different. I had no idea what to expect, but you've got to give it to whoever's put all of the extra music around it. But then it also brings into question one thing, right? If anybody knows or remembers, there was a monkey a long time ago who took a selfie, and there was this, I don't know, sort of legal case about who owned the rights to that, because technically the photographer didn't take the photo, it was the monkey, so therefore the rights are owned by the monkey. I wonder if it's the same here. Technically that chicken should own the rights to that music because that chicken wrote and played that music, and if it's not been done by a composer before or anybody else before, then technically he owns the rights to that music. So it'll be interesting to see how I don't know, it's just strange, isn't it, that it's a very amateur production in terms of the video and what actually happened. As a chicken just pecked at corn that was on a piano, and then from that somebody has taken that and turned it into something. Have they turned it into anything interesting? It's different. Would I listen to it again? Not really. I mean, it's interesting. If interesting's a word, maybe a bit of a reach, but it was definitely different. and it was definitely something to smile about. So that's always a bonus. Let me know what you guys think, and I will hopefully see you next time for something a little less strange. Who knows? It might even be a little more strange. But anyway, guys, this is Woody saying thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.